where we make brand new beginner and intermediate tap combos every single week. And this week we are keeping the Christmas spirit alive by doing Run Run Rudolph. It'll be the Clarkson edition, and this will be the beginner combination. So I know Christmas is over, but we are going to keep it going. So let's get started. We are going to start on our right foot, and we are going to go shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. That's all on your right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. And then we're going to switch to our left. Shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. So let's do that a little faster. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. Awesome. Let me show you guys that with the music. We're going to do both feet. So on your left, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step. You can also say it's a dig on your heel. So trying on your right foot, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step. Switch to your left, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step. So let's talk that through from the beginning, and then I'm going to add a little bit more. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, hop, step. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step. I like. Let's do all that with the music. Left hand. We are going to go pull lap on your right foot out towards that hand. So pull lap, chain hands, toe, heel. Pull lap, toe, heel. Then other way on your left, pull lap, toe, heel. So 1, 2, toe, heel, 3, 4, toe, heel. Awesome. Let's do all that with the music. we are going to 4 paddle rolls. So starting on your right foot, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel. So let me speak through the whole combination so you can hear it all together. We'll do it with music a couple times and then we are done. 5, 6, with the shuffle, here we go. Shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, pop, step, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, pop, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step, full lap, toe, heel, full lap, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, 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 brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel. And that is the whole number. So let's do it with the music a couple times. 5, 6, 7, 8, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, pop, step, shuffle, ball, change, shuffle, pop, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe, step, lap, lap, toe, heel, lap, lap, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Toe, toe, heel, 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 brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel, heel, brush, toe, heel. Awesome. We're going to do 2 more times without me talking. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 'Season, whatever it is you celebrate. I hope it was enjoyable and festive and full of love. Thank you so much for joining us with our beginner combination. There will be a intermediate combination posted on Friday, so be sure to check that out as well. This week we are going to roll over our charity from last week, and that is the Anna Grace Project. We will be donating 100% of proceeds to the Anna Grace Project, so if you'd like to donate, here's all the information. And I will also leave information down below. If you'd like to donate directly, that is perfect. If not, you can donate through all my payment information. I will be sure to get 100% of it to the Anna Grace Project. So thank you guys so much for tapping with us, and we hope to see you next week.